Towering over the Australian landscape, the emu is the second largest bird on Earth and an iconic symbol of the continent's unique wildlife. Flightless, yet incredibly fast, emus have evolved to survive some of the harshest and most unpredictable environments on the planet. From their impressive speed to their unusual parenting roles, these giant birds are full of surprises. Today, we journey into the heart of the Australian outback to uncover the fascinating life of the emu. Emus are native to Australia, found across most of the mainland. They are true wanderers, thriving in open grasslands, savannas, woodlands, and even semi-arid regions. While they tend to avoid dense, wet forests and extreme deserts, their adaptability is remarkable. You won't find them confined to a small territory. Instead, emus are constantly on the move, often traveling hundreds of kilometers in search of food and water. This nomadic lifestyle is essential for their survival, allowing them to follow the rains and capitalize on temporary bursts of life in an often barren landscape. Their presence is a telltale sign of a healthy, functioning ecosystem. Let's talk about size, because emus are truly impressive. An adult emu can stand up to 1.9 meters tall, or about 6 feet, and weigh as much as 45 kilograms. They possess long, powerful legs, a long neck, and a body covered in shaggy, soft brown feathers. These feathers are quite unique. They have a double-shafted structure, which provides excellent insulation against both the scorching daytime heat and the chilly desert nights. But what's truly astonishing is their speed. Despite their size and inability to fly, emus can sprint at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Those powerful legs aren't just for running. They're also a formidable weapon for defense, capable of delivering a powerful kick to any predator that gets too close. So, what fuels these giant birds? Emus are omnivores with a surprisingly flexible diet. They're not picky eaters, feeding on a wide variety of plants, including grasses, seeds, fruits, and flowers. They also supplement their diet with insects, spiders, and even small animals when the opportunity arises. One of their most peculiar habits is swallowing small stones and pebbles, known as gastroliths. These stones sit in their gizzard and help grind up tough plant material, making digestion more efficient. During times when food is abundant, they may form loose, temporary groups to feed together. Communication is another fascinating aspect of their behavior. Emus produce deep, booming, and drumming sounds, which are made using an inflatable throat pouch. These low-frequency calls are powerful enough to travel long distances across open country, allowing them to communicate with one another without being in close proximity. It's a haunting, resonant sound that truly defines the Australian outback. The reproductive habits of emus are perhaps one of the most remarkable things about them. During the breeding season, the female lays a clutch of large, dark green, and beautifully textured eggs, often in a simple nest on the ground. But here's where the roles reverse. Once the eggs are laid, the female's job is done. It is the male emu who takes on all parenting duties. He meticulously incubates the eggs for nearly 2 months, a grueling 56-day period during which he rarely eats, drinks, or even stands up. After the chicks hatch, his job is far from over. The dedicated father continues to raise and fiercely protect his striped, fluffy chicks for several months, teaching them how to find food and survive in the wild. Emus are masters of survival, equipped with a suite of incredible adaptations for life in extreme conditions. Their shaggy plumage acts as a natural climate control system, insulating them from both intense heat and cold. Their long, strong legs are not just for speed, but also for efficient, long-distance travel, allowing them to cover vast areas with minimal energy expenditure. They also have an amazing ability to conserve water, a critical skill in Australia. Arid interior. Emus can go for long periods without drinking, relying on the moisture from their food and their innate ability to find seasonal water sources, making them perfectly suited for a life of constant movement and uncertainty. Even a bird as large and tough as an emu has its vulnerabilities. Young, inexperienced emu chicks are prey for predators like dingoes, wedge-tailed eagles, and invasive red foxes. For adult emus, the list of natural enemies is much shorter, but they face a different set of modern threats. Habitat fragmentation due to agriculture and urban development limits their nomadic movements. Collisions with vehicles are a significant cause of mortality, and the increasing frequency of extreme weather events, like droughts and bushfires, driven by climate change, puts additional pressure on their populations. Despite these ongoing challenges, emu populations are considered relatively stable across the continent. The emu's role in its environment goes far beyond just being a large, charismatic bird. They are crucial ecological engineers. As major their long-distance movements are vital for maintaining the genetic diversity and distribution of many native Australian plants. By spreading seeds over vast areas, they help regenerate ecosystems and ensure the health and resilience of the woodlands and grasslands they call home. Their grazing also influences plant composition, making them an integral part of the delicate balance of Australia's unique and ancient ecosystems. Powerful, resilient, and uniquely Australian, the emu is a true survivor of the land down under. From its remarkable speed and dedicated fathers to its crucial role in shaping the landscape, this flightless giant embodies the spirit of adaptation and endurance. Its story is a powerful reminder of the intricate and beautiful balance of life that thrives across Australia's vast and wild continent. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of the emu. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible animal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife documentaries from around the globe. See you next time.